Kitty strawberry surprise cookies. These are actually, I think, 2 years old. I'm not too sure. Something happens to me if I don't get out of the restroom for more than like a whole day, then something's up, and these cookies really did mess me up. These come with edible images included, but I'm pretty sure that these are actually expired already. We got the mix right here. Hello Kitty and a whole bunch of serial numbers. Let me open these up. Little Hello Kitties. I don't know what these are made out of. There's a lot of these. I don't know how many they expected people to make. We don't need these. We're not using these. These are technically not even Hello Kitty cookies anymore. They're just strawberry surprise Betty Crocker cookies. Gotta move everything out of the way. I got this bowl. I just washed it because there's some weird dookie around it. I don't know what it was, so I just washed it. Does dough have a specific smell to it if it's not good? What is this supposed to smell like originally? Like strawberry? No, it doesn't smell bad. Take a whiff. It does smell like strawberry, I won't lie. Once the dough is opened, that's like a timer. It's like, oh buddy, you better use it all. It didn't hit me completely when it was in the bag, but now that it's on the bowl, actually it hit me quite hard. So it was like artificial strawberry or something. Tablespoon of water, yes sir. Oh look it, it's actually turning pink. The oil. Oh, it looks like pee. It looks like urine. Egg. Now we just kind of stir this up. God damn. I should have never used a whisk. It looks like ground beef. Spoon time, just regular spoon. Oh, but it's a lot easier now. I think this is it. Hello Kitty, am I doing this right? I have no idea. We're not making no baby cookies, Hello Kitty. So we gotta press it down. Make it a circle. Do they look the same? It's okay. That looks fine, right? Say that it looks fine in the comments so I can feel better about them. This is the last one. I think this one's gonna be like the biggest one. Here are my cookies before I put them in the oven. They look like hamburger patties. Hello Kitty. Help Hello Kitty bake a batch of yummy treats for her friends. Can you name all the items below that Hello Kitty will need to make her cookies? Butter, egg, spoon, the mitten, the cookie sheet, the bowl, this thing, and your bow to look nice and swag-tastic. And did I say butter? Butter, and that's it. Maybe cherries, maybe apples, depending on the kind of cookies you're making, Hello Kitty. But apart from that, that's all you need. They smell good. Let's see. Timer just went off. God damn, they're so big. They look so good and smell so good. So as you can see, my cookies are done. They are really soft. There's some soft cookies, but they're done. They're done for sure. Taking this one. Look at how soft they are. Let me take this little chunk, which is from the one on the top. They're not bad. Like, my expectations for these were really, really low. But they're actually not that bad. Some coffee. Let me dip it inside the coffee. Oh. Probably should have left them in there way bit longer. So, that was me making 2-year-old Hello Kitty strawberry surprise cookies. When I came up with the idea to make this video, I actually thought that I was gonna instantly get hit with like a whole lot of tummy aches and stomach problems, and I was gonna get diarrhea. If I end up on the restroom toilet or maybe on the restroom floor in a couple of hours, then you know why. But other than that, they actually tasted really good. For them being my first batch of cookies that I've made, I think I did pretty well. I did pretty well. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. See you guys later. Bye-bye.